Hi guys, hope everyone's good. I just wanted to post a quick video. I'm doing a series on how to use AI and Python to query Yahoo Finance and basically provide some statistics and um, spreadsheets for ranking stocks for short-term possible opportunities. So this is querying like S&P 500 and FTSE 100, and it will generate spreadsheets where you can run ad hoc or have it scheduled. It's really interesting, but one of the prereqs is just to install Python. So Python's very simple, and there's some specific plugins I use with Python. So I just thought I'd post that quickly, just show you how I do it, and I'll post the script in this video as well. So I'm just literally going to go to Python. I'll post this link as well in the chat. Just going to do Python for Windows. I'm just going to grab the most recent installer and just next, and just let this install for a minute. I'm just going to literally click the defaults. So it's some very interesting statistics and ranking produced. I'm going to show you in some new videos, but it's quite interesting. I've been sort of running and looking at how accurate it is, and it's very interesting. So Python was installed. Quickest way to just check whether Python is installed is just to run Python version. So I'm running 3.13.7. So there's some additional setup which I use. So I've created myself a Python folder just on my C drive. I've got a lot of scripts and things in here, but I've just created myself a setup folder. In this Python file just installs some packages which are required to run all the scripts that I will post. So it installs pip and a few other things. So we'll just try running this and hopefully it'll all install. So I'm just going to change directory to my Python directory, and in command prompt, if you just start typing, so cd is change directory, and if I just type py, it'll change to Python, and my setup scripts are in setup, and we type Python because we want to call Python, and it starts with install. So I just type install, and this should run through and install the packages. So we just let this run. It should be very quickly. It's just telling me that there's a new release in some of these packages, which I can update the script, which I will update it before we proceed with any other steps. As you see, there's a few to install. Some of these you can set to auto update as well. I'll just show you one of the spreadsheets in a minute, which has been produced. So basically, I've been using AI, but I've been using ChatGPT, specifically ChatGPT 5, to generate scripts and really tweak the ranking. I've been trying it with some long-term, over a year predictions and some short-term, which is really exciting. So that's all done. So I'm just going to close this for a minute, and I'm just going to show you, just as an example, one of the spreadsheets which I've been working on today. So I can produce a script, a spreadsheet like this, which gives you a rank, and this based on primarily momentum, but there's a lot of other info here, which is really interesting, like alpha, RSI, momentum, and this is all very simple to do and very valuable. I'm going to do some further videos on using this with Trading 212 and just testing out the AI. Some people post videos where they've got hundreds of thousands of pounds testing this and the other, but I think more of a real world investor is testing it with smaller amounts of funds, just to see how value it is. So please subscribe and follow, because I think this is going to be an interesting series and could take a lot of the hard work out of choosing the right stocks to suit your needs, and to hopefully get good returns. That's what we're all looking for. We're all looking for a return. So yeah, that's it for the minute. I'm not going to save that. I'm going to close that. But anyway, as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinions. Please see my other videos for more info and follow this series, and we can all do it together. Thanks. Bye.